So everyone's been saying that this is the best electric pump out there, so let's see if it is.
Hey everybody, today we are going to review the new ePump. This is a portable air inflator designed for bikes, balls, car tires, or anything of that nature. So let's go ahead, open it up, and show you what's inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the first thing you're gonna see is a pump. It actually comes with a few different buttons. You've got the plus and minus for pressures. You got the different LED light buttons that are available as well. You also have a button that'll allow you to turn on the light, but of course you power it on, it says on, and you hold down the light button, and then you get a nice little light. So if you're on the side of the road, it really helps out. And then of course you can set the pressure that you need it to be at for PSIs or anything like that. And overall it's really compact, heavy duty. It does have a 2000 milliamp battery, so it's a fairly strong equipable item. And then you have the different attachments. You got the car charger, you have of course the plug that goes with that, and then the hose attachments, which comes in really nice if you're riding a bike or if you're taking it for anything else. And then you also have the air inflator. So you can use this needle to pump up basketballs, soccer balls, footballs, or any type of balls. So not only can this thing pump up your car, but it could pump up a bike tire, and it could pump up some balls, and it's completely 100% portable. So we're gonna take it outside. I'm going to use it on my electric bike that I have. I use that to travel back and forth to work, and I'll be able to show you exactly how well it works on those. Okay, so here I have my electric bike, and as you can see, the tires are pumped all the way up. And what I'm gonna do is let all the air out of my back tire right here, and then we're gonna show you in a time lapse of how effective this thing is. All right, so as you guys can see, the tire is now completely flat and there's no air in it. It's actually almost falling over because it's not being held up by anything. And we're gonna pump it back up. So as you guys can see, the bike is inflated all the way. My PSI is supposed to be from 25 to 45. I like to keep it a little bit lower because I use it on the ground a lot. And overall, that was great. I mean, a little warm to the touch here, but it performed without any hesitation. Now let's pump up some balls. Okay, so what I've done is got a flat basketball and go ahead and get it inflated. See? It works. So as you guys can see right here, I have a pretty much flat all the way tire. I don't know what happened to it. My other one is fine, but this one is not. So we're gonna take our ePump and get it pumped up, and I'll show you guys how it works on the time lapse. And so now we are all back pumped up together, looking good. That's pretty nice. Okay, so as you guys saw out there, it works on bikes, it works on cars, it works on balls, any of the things that you would have outside that need actual air inside of them. This thing will inflate the air inside of them. So if you're looking for an overall portable air inflator that is able to handle big and little jobs, the ePump has got you covered.